the first chapter of Luke's Gospel. So this is an interesting thing I only thought about a year ago. Was who was the first person to greet Jesus in the flesh on the earth? You kind of think, well, let's see, the herald angels sing, and the shepherds came, and his mother, and his parents. But actually, it turns out no, that's not the answer. The answer is contained in a story in the middle of the first chapter of Luke, which is I think Jesus being conceived. His mother Mary goes off to help her kinswoman, who's 6 months further along, and she went to help with the delivery of the baby, as was the tradition at the time, and would have stayed there about 40 days afterwards. And that was John the Baptist, and John the Baptist, at that stage not yet born, got all excited about Jesus being there. So the first Jesus was first greeted as an unborn baby by an unborn baby. but think about it. And Mary at that point burst into. Well, it says Mary said, but nowadays we kind of assume she sang it. But in chapter 1, verse 46, and she says, "My soul magnifies the Lord, and my spirit has rejoiced in God, my Savior." Now, people who look at the Bible in detail realize that actually what she said there was rather similar to what somebody else had said back in 1 Samuel. So you've got to turn to 1 Samuel. Keep one finger in Luke 1, to another finger back to 1 Samuel. And in 1 Samuel, we get the story of Hannah, the mama of Samuel. And she's going to the temple, and it's a nice story. And the priest thinks that she's drunk, then she's not. And she really wants to have a child. And when she does, and then she comes in the temple, and in chapter 2, she says, "My heart rejoices in the Lord, my horn is exalted in the Lord." And the words there are very similar to what Mary said. This is probably not a coincidence, because probably most women in Israel would have known, particularly ones who were fortunate to have children, would have known those words there. So it's not a coincidence that Mary sings them. But anyhow, so if you turn back to Luke 1, you can follow along the words there. And there's great words about so I can pick a few verses out here. So Mary is going to be blessed because she's the mother of Jesus. But God's name being holy, and his mercies on people who fear him. And then they're the proud people in the world, but God scatters them. And it says in the imagination of their hearts there. And God puts down the mighty from their seat, but he exalts the humble and the meek there. And he fills the hungry with good things, but the rich he sends empty ways. So we're going to sing that, and I encourage you to follow along with Luke 1 there, so you can hear the words what we're singing about.